What's up, guys? My name's Mark Santamaria. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the RC vlog. Guys, we're here at Mad for Chicken. This is Evan's favorite place to eat. He chose it, not Ethan's. That's why Ethan doesn't want to be in the video. But today, guys, we're going to the track again. This will be 2 days in a row that we're going to the track. Yesterday, I didn't race. The boys raced. Today, it's just a practice day. But I brought two cars that you guys have been wanting me to compare, which are the Arrma Talion and the Traxxas Sledge. We're going to battle them out on the track, see how it goes. Should be a lot of fun, but we're gonna eat some grub, then we'll head out there. So let's go. Guys, we made it. My goodness, it's a little warmer than I thought it would be, but both the cars are out here, the Sledge and the Talion. Basically what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna drive them stock. I just want to see which one is better for the track, like which one's easier to drive on the track, which one I would consider more track worthy. So we're gonna drive them stock at first, then we're gonna change tires and maybe some chassis braces and things like that. Like, I know that the Sledge probably runs better without that chassis brace. I'll take that off, but first things first, stock test. We're just gonna run them and send it. So the verdict is in. They're both equally hard to drive, but in different ways. And I think both of them are related to the tires. I feel like if they had better tires on them, they would both work. The Sledge throttle is a little bit harder to get used to. It's just way more aggressive. Like you were seeing, I was able to do backflips on that center double because just a little bit of throttle, like really, it had so much freaking punch. And then whenever you hit the brake, it would instantly stop, which would cause me to front flip. But the Sledgehammer tires, they're just so big and bulky, and when they balloon, I did feel like I was kind of skating, like skating side to side. It was kind of hard to drive, but you can definitely make it work. In regards to the Talion, I felt like the Talion was more planted from a stability perspective, but I feel like it was looser on the rear end. So it was harder to drive because if you gave it a little bit of throttle in the corner, it would want to wash out. Again, something that you could probably solve with tires, but I can't say which one I like better. They're both hard to drive, but you could definitely make them work if you really wanted to. So we're gonna put some tires on them. I bet you that's gonna change it all the way. I bet you it'll be a lot easier to drive with tires. And if you're gonna go to the track with one of these vehicles, you're probably gonna have tires anyways. You're probably gonna get some race tires. Yeah, the tires that I was running, they were not suited for the track, that's for sure. All right guys, the verdict is in. You guys aren't gonna believe me. You know, when it comes to racing, it's all about confidence. Which car you feel like you can go faster in. The Talion, guys. I think the Talion edges this one out. I will say the tires pretty much fix almost everything. There's probably some small tuning options you can do to make it a little bit better, but they handled really well on the track with the tires, just a tire change. The other thing about the Talion is I put Proline buckshots on there and I used the Traxxas response tire, so it is a little bit different. Maybe a fair comparison would be me put actual truggy tires on the Sledge, but that's not what happened. Yeah, so a couple of side notes. I did feel like probably the reason why this one felt a little bit more controllable and nimble on the track is because it was lighter. But because it was lighter, that middle tabletop, that big jump in the middle, it was kind of sketchy in that jump. While on this one, I mean, I could pretty much do whatever I wanted with it. So yeah, jumping, high jumps might be a little bit better than the Sledge, but again, when it comes about confidence, it's about confidence when you're racing, and I feel like I had more confidence with the Talion than the Sledge. Now with all that said, if you get a Sledge you want to track it, it's definitely trackable, for sure, 100%. Probably some small tuning things, and you're good to go. I probably should have put truggy tires, like I said, but I ended up using the Response monster truck tires. But yeah, man, that was fun. Both times with the new tires, I end up driving longer than I anticipated, and that's usually because I'm having so much fun and I just want to keep turning laps. But that was fun, guys. Well, that's a wrap, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and you guys will see me next time. Later, guys.